Time feels simple: seconds, minutes, hours, past behind us, future ahead. But here's the twist: what if time isn't what you think it is? In under 5 minutes, we'll explore why Einstein shattered our old view of time, the mind-bending theories that challenge past versus future, and what this means for your everyday reality. Let's dive in. The old view of time. For most of history, people thought of time as a universal clock, ticking, steady, the same everywhere. Newton described it this way in the 1600s: absolute time. The same for everyone, everywhere. It made sense, but it was wrong. Einstein's revolution. In 1905, Einstein blew it apart. According to relativity, time isn't absolute. It's woven with space into one fabric: space-time. And here's the kicker: time runs differently depending on how fast you move or how strong gravity is where you stand. Fly near the speed of light? Your clock ticks slower than someone at rest. Stand near a black hole? Gravity stretches time itself. This isn't theory, it's measured fact. Astronauts on the International Space Station age slightly slower than people on Earth. Your GPS wouldn't even work without correcting for relativity. Satellites literally run on a different clock than your phone. Einstein showed us. Time is relative. The twin paradox. Two twins. One stays on Earth. The other boards a spaceship, traveling near the speed of light. When the traveler comes back, they're younger than their twin. That's time dilation. And while we don't have near-light spaceships yet, atomic clocks on high-speed jets have already proven it. Time doesn't tick the same for everyone. Block universe. Is the future already real? Now it gets stranger. Relativity suggests that past, present, and future all exist in space-time, like pages in a book. This is called the block universe. Every moment, yesterday, today, tomorrow, already exists. We just experience them one slice at a time. If that's true, the future isn't waiting to be written. It's already there. Einstein himself hinted at this. After a friend died, he wrote, "The distinction between past, present, and future is only a stubbornly persistent illusion, comforting or unsettling. The flow of time." An illusion? But wait. If the future exists, why do we feel time flowing forward? Physicists call this the arrow of time. It's tied to one thing: entropy. Entropy means disorder. An egg breaks, but doesn't unbreak. Heat spreads, but doesn't unspread. From our perspective, the universe goes from order to disorder. That's why we feel time moving forward. But some argue the flow is just a mental construct, our brains processing events in sequence. Maybe time doesn't flow at all. Maybe everything just is. Time travel, science or fiction? Now for the question everyone asks: can we travel through time? In one sense, we already do. Every second, we move into the future. But science allows stranger possibilities. Relativity permits time dilation, moving faster or slower through time compared to others. And theoretical physics suggests closed loops in space-time, called wormholes, could connect different moments. But paradoxes emerge. What happens if you go back and change the past? Kill your own grandfather? Do timelines split? Does the universe prevent contradictions? No one knows. Does time even exist? Some physicists push further. Maybe time doesn't exist at all. At the deepest level of quantum physics, equations don't always include time. They describe relationships without a universal clock. In fact, researchers are even experimenting with so-called time crystals, structures that repeat in time the way ordinary crystals repeat in space. It suggests time itself might be more like a pattern than a flow. Philosophers argue time might be an illusion of our limited perception, like color or sound, real to us, but not fundamental. If that's true, the universe may be timeless. How we think about time shapes how we live. If time is relative, every moment is precious. If the future already exists, our choices still decide which page we read. If time is an illusion, then the now is all we ever truly have. Time is not the simple ticking clock we once thought. So, what is time? A river? A block? An illusion? Drop your take in the comments. Is time flowing, fixed, or fake? And if you love quick dives into big mysteries, hit subscribe. Because in under 5 minutes, we'll always give you big ideas.